What's the meaning of coal gas? Coal gas. Coal gas.
Coal gas. Coal gas. Coal gas refers to a type of fuel gas that is produced from coal in a process called gasification. The process involves heating the coal in the absence of oxygen to produce a mixture of gases, including hydrogen, methane, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide. This gas can be used as a fuel source for heating, lighting, and power generation. Coal gas was commonly used in urban areas during the 19th and early 20th centuries, but it has since been largely replaced by natural gas due to its higher cost and lower efficiency.